sound of our furnace trying to ping on for no apparent reason. We've not touched the furnace since we've been on the road for 2 days. It wants to come on, but is not coming on because it's not being told to turn on. It is making this noise non-stop.
Eventually the noise will stop as the motor will burn itself out. If it doesn't turn off by itself, or you want to turn it off to save your sanity,
Lord, you guys! Enough!
you can just remove the furnace plate and there's an obvious off switch to just turn the furnace off. And once you've done that, here's what to do next. This was for our Jayco Northpoint 377 RLBH, but the concepts here remain the same. For whatever model you have, you should be able to follow these steps and fix your furnace by yourself.
We're looking for part 31501, the universal ignition.
We found the part on Amazon simply by searching 3501 RV furnace ignition board. Always go with the one that has a lot of reviews, can sort by the highest rating for best results.
Okay, so there was a little screw right here that attached this into the back there. Once you unscrew that, you can easily remove this panel, and then there's literally, this is connected, that's connected, and these two at the back are connected to these four. You can see here are corrosion areas where the water was touching with the chip, which is never good. Let's just get up to some of that. We're just going to slide this in here. Big blue one on here.
This one goes on the little one.
Clear one on the little one. This one was on here. Now is this. Alright. New chip installed. Why are you biting your lip?
I don't know.
What do you think's going to happen?
I don't know.
Everything's connected.
Yep.
That's a brand new chip.
Let's hope it works.
It's the right number because I checked the manual.
Okay. Oh, good.
Had good reviews.
Great.
We just need to turn it on. I guess we move it to reset. Heat. Sounds like a furnace.
Yay!
So this little screw screws the plastic board into here. So this just lines up to go back in with the furnace exhaust.
The suggestion from the forums was that the shower had leaked, so we actually caulked between the tiles and the base, and at the base here between the floor. So basically there's nowhere for water to go between our shower to get underneath, which is obviously what you want to avoid going forward.
Good as new, hopefully.
Learn from our other mistakes, check out our first year lessons video, and follow along for more fixes, failures, and how to balance work and travel with toddlers as we explore the northeast states over the next few months here.